This is my presentation on the constellation Leo. So Leo is the 12th largest constellation in the sky. It is visible between positive 90 latitude and negative 65 latitude. Leo can be best seen approximately in April at 9 p.m. Leo is recognizable as it actually looks like its namesake of a lion, right? With a head and a main-shaped sickle, or backwards question mark of stars and haunches composed of a triad of stars. That was a quote from Leah. One of the most well-known asterisms in the Leo constellation is the sickle, which is also the lion's head part of it. Leo's main asterism. First of all, let's determine what an asterism is. So an asterism is a group of stars that form to make a shape. Simply put, in Leo's case, the main asterism is a lion. There are 9 stars that are part of the Leo asterism, these stars being Epsilon Leonis, my pronunciation may be off, but Epsilon Leonis, Chrysalis, Adephora, Algebra, Eta Leonis, Regulus, Chertin, Chertin, Denobula, Zosma, Zosma, yeah. With Regulus being the brightest star to us in that asterism. Exploring the Leo constellation. So first of all, we have Messier 66 right here and Messier 96 right here. So one of the Messier objects that is interesting to me is Messier 66 is interesting the way it looks, right? So it looks similar to the Milky Way galaxy, except it's much darker. Messier 96, on the other hand, is another interesting star galaxy in the Leo constellation. It has an appearance of like floating brown liquids, like I don't know, like root beer, Dr. Pepper or something. And it has some like purple looking matter in the exterior, which I think looks pretty freaking cool. Messier 96's gas and dust isn't evenly distributed throughout. Messier 96 has asymmetrical arms because of its gravitational interaction with other galaxies. I paraphrased that from NASA, and both of these pictures came from NASA. This is my HR diagram of the 20 stars that I chose. For the most part, most of them are, it appears to be on the main sequence. I think with exceptions here and here, I think. Yeah. And then we can see Regulus, right? We can see Regulus where it is on my HR diagram, right there. Regulus has an apparent magnitude of 1.35. Its distance from us is about 78 light years. Its spectral type is B84N. Diameter is about 3.2 times the sun. I paraphrased that from Astropixels. I got that from astropixels.com. Regulus is in a system with at least 4 component stars. I quoted that from Sessions and Malcos. It's on my citations. Regulus is on the main sequence. Story of Leo. Constellation Leo was important to the ancient Egyptians. This is just a little story that I pulled. They related Leo to the flooding of the Nile. This resulted in the land being turned into fertile soil, so they admired Leo. I paraphrased that from Leah. That's the last name of the author of, yeah. Fun facts. So a star that appears in the Leo constellation, Algebra, again, my pronunciation may be off, the planet that is 8 times the size of Jupiter. That's insane to me. Leo is part of the zodiac signs, being the one between July 23rd and August 22nd. However, with the zodiac signs updated for time, of the shifting of stars and whatnot, or our position, whatever, Leo would lie between August 11th and September 16th. These are my citations, and this is my copyright statement. Thank you for listening to my presentation.